Hi, my name is Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to make a simple quinoa and black bean dish. This is a staple for our family and I think you'll really enjoy it. It's simple and it's healthy.
So here we have 2 cups of cooked quinoa and 1 bunch of cilantro, a tomato, an onion, and a lemon. And we're going to go ahead and just start chopping up our onion to get that ready to put in our side dish, where we're going to put all the ingredients that we just went over into a dish that's going to go on top of our quinoa and our beans. And here are some homemade black beans that I made earlier in the day. They've been boiling for a couple hours and I drained them and they will be ready to be made with this dish. So I'm gonna go ahead and set those aside. And then here is our mix that we made that we're gonna be putting on top with some lemon. So first we're going to squeeze 1 whole lemon. And this lemon was a lot larger than my lemon press, so I had to really try to work it in there. But we just sort of going to squeeze that right on top of the cilantro, the onion, and the tomato. And you can add more than 1 lemon if you like to get more of that lemon juice, but I find that 1 large lemon is just enough. And this meal is good for our whole family of 5, and we usually still have some left over for another meal. We can use it for lunch the next day or the following dinner. But we're gonna just go ahead and mix all of that up, get those juices going in there, and just thoroughly mix that so that everything is equally mixed in there. Then we're just gonna do about a teaspoon of salt. Just do salt to your liking, to your taste. So I think like a teaspoon and a half. And then I just eyeballed some pepper, so just grinding some pepper right on top here. Again, it's to your liking. And then I like it a little spicy, so I'm putting a little bit of cayenne pepper on top. And then we're gonna go ahead and just mix all of that together so you get all those flavors. And you don't really need to add anything else. You could add garlic salt if you'd like, or onion powder, but and I've done that before, but this is the perfect mix in my opinion, and it will be just perfect on your dish. So go ahead and get yourself the bowl that you plan on serving. You're gonna get a scoop of the quinoa and put that in first. Just mix that around, maybe add a little bit more quinoa, mix it around. And then right on top of the quinoa, you're going to want to put some beans, just a scoopful of beans right on top. And just place that evenly across. And then next you're going to get your mix and you're just going to top that off right on top again. And you could try to get a little bit of that lemon juice in there. Again, you can always squeeze a separate lemon right on top here too if you like a little more lemon zest. Then you're going to want to just put some sliced avocado. This really makes the dish. I'm telling you, you want to get a little bit of that avocado with every bite, and it is so delicious. So there we have it. That is our simple bean and quinoa dish, and you can dig right in and get ready to enjoy this healthy meal.
I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Is today the day you're gonna subscribe? I hope so. Please give me a thumbs up and leave comments below if you have tried a dish similar to this or if you think this is a dish that you're going to give a shot. Really appreciate your time and God bless.